Okay, so 1e, I'll do the u substitution first. Okay, the most complicated thing is going to be this denominator. So the inner part of that denominator, we will call u. So u will be 4x squared plus 3. All right, and then du dx would equal 8x, but then I'm going to multiply through by the 8x because I need the dx I need to get rid of that dx. So 8x dx. All right. Okay. Now, so at this point, let's rewrite some things. All right. I'm going to rewrite it completely. So I'm going to have my u part. It's going to be up front, but I'm just going to rewrite the original integral first, and then we'll talk about what to do. So this is going to be 4x squared plus 3 to the negative 6. And then I've got a little x dx sitting there, right? Because that would have, I mean, if we were going to do the chain rule ourselves to get to this point, then obviously we would have put the chain rule part at the back. That's what we normally do. All right, so here's where we're sitting. Now, I've got the u part. That's awesome. But then I really would like to know what x dx is equal to so I can get rid of it. All right, well, this would tell you that x dx would equal x dx. I'm really struggling with x's here. Equals du divided by 8. And equals. Anytime I'm going too fast, I guess is where we're going to have some trouble. So it's going to be 1/8 of du. Okay. So again, just got rid of the 8. All right. So now let's rewrite. All right. So this will equal, based on our substitutions, this will be the indefinite integral of u to the negative 6. And then x dx is 1/8 du. Okay, which of course, and instead of that step there, you could have just said, all right, 1/8 out front. You can factor out any constants. And then I've got u to the negative 6 du. All right, here we go. Antiderivative. So I've got 1/8. I'm gonna leave myself a space here. And then I've got u to my new exponent, adding 1, negative 5. Ugh. All right, divide by the same. Oh my gosh. All right, plus c. Okay, so that's going to, and that's a negative. Oh my gosh. All right, so then, so this is equal to negative 1/40 u to the negative 5 plus c. And now let's substitute back in and find out. So negative 1/40 and u was 4x squared plus 3 to the negative 5 plus c. Cool. Okay, now, all right, so that was a whole lot of work. But let's see if we could possibly see how to do this a little bit quicker. All right, so with a pattern recognition, I don't think I need any more room than that right there. All right, so we see that's a negative 6 exponent. Did the chain rule happen? Not quite. We're missing an 8. How do you make up for an 8? A 1/8. All right, so here we go. So this will equal 1/8. Okay, and then this was my chain rule, so it will disappear when we're going backwards. So I've got my ticket, so now I can go backwards. And then this will be 4x squared to my new exponent, x squared plus 3, to my new exponent. It was negative 6. Now it's negative 5. Divide by the same. Done. Well, I mean, we could write it out. Final answer. Negative 1/40th. 4x squared plus 3. And you're like, what's up with the 4x squared plus 3? Well, we just made sure that the chain rule happened. We made sure of it. All right. I mean, if you're asking me, do I want to write 2 lines or do I want to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different things?